Hey, food fans! Are you ready to dive into a delicious journey through time? Today we're talking about a true American classic, the tuna fish sandwich. It's more than just a meal, it's a piece of history. This isn't just any sandwich, it's a culinary time capsule that takes us back to the early 1900s. Imagine a time when the world was simpler, and the kitchen was the heart of the home. Back then, fresh fish wasn't always easy to come by, especially inland. Coastal towns had the luxury of fresh seafood, but for those living far from the ocean, it was a different story. That's when canned tuna swam onto the scene, changing the game forever. It was a revolutionary moment in food history. Before canned tuna, folks mostly ate fish fresh. Fishing was a daily activity for many, and the catch of the day was a staple in coastal diets. But canning technology opened up a whole new world. The process of preserving fish in cans meant that it could be transported and stored for longer periods. Suddenly, you could get tasty, shelf-stable tuna anywhere. Talk about a game changer. It made seafood accessible to everyone, no matter where they lived. This new way to eat tuna was a hit. Families could enjoy the taste of the ocean without leaving their homes. Picnics, lunches, and dinners were transformed. People loved its convenience and affordability. Canned tuna became a pantry staple, and its popularity soared. Little did they know they were witnessing the birth of a sandwich legend. The tuna fish sandwich became a beloved meal cherished by generations. Today, the tuna fish sandwich remains a favorite. It's a testament to the ingenuity of the past and the timeless appeal of a simple, delicious meal. From classic recipes to gourmet variations, the tuna fish sandwich continues to evolve, delighting taste buds everywhere. So next time you bite into one, remember the rich history behind it. It's more than just a sandwich, it's a symbol of culinary innovation and a shared love for good food. Here's to the humble tuna fish sandwich, a true American icon. Fast forward to the 1940s. World War II had just ended and America was ready for some comfort food. Canned tuna, a wartime staple, was there to answer the call. Families were looking for easy, budget-friendly meals. Tuna fit the bill perfectly. It was readily available, affordable, and could be stretched to feed a crowd. Plus, it didn't require a lot of fancy ingredients, which was important in those post-war days. Just some simple pantry staples and boom, dinner is served. Canned tuna quickly became a pantry hero. It was the go-to ingredient for quick lunches, satisfying dinners, and everything in between. Now let's talk about a key ingredient that took the tuna sandwich to the next level: mayonnaise. This creamy, tangy condiment was already a hit by the early 1900s. It didn't take long for someone to realize that mayo and tuna were a match made in sandwich heaven. Imagine creamy, luscious mayonnaise mixed with flaky, savory tuna. Add some crunchy celery for texture, maybe a little onion for bite. Are you getting hungry yet? This simple combination, known as tuna salad, became an instant classic. It was the perfect filling for sandwiches, a delicious topping for crackers, and a crowd-pleasing party dip. By the mid-20th century, the tuna fish sandwich had earned its place as an American icon. It was a staple in households across the country, a go-to meal that was both convenient and delicious. The tuna sandwich was more than just food. It was a part of the American culture, a symbol of the times. It was everywhere. Kids ate it for lunch, whether packed in their school lunchboxes or served in the cafeteria. It was a favorite among children, a reliable and tasty option that parents could count on. Dads brought it to work, finding it a perfect meal to fuel their busy days. It was easy to prepare and even easier to eat on the go, making it a popular choice for working professionals. And families enjoyed it for casual dinners. It was a meal that brought people together, simple yet satisfying, perfect for those evenings when no one wanted to spend hours in the kitchen. The beauty of the tuna sandwich was its simplicity. It didn't require any fancy ingredients or complicated recipes, just a few basic items that were often already in the pantry. Anyone could make one, no matter their culinary skills. It was a meal that even the most inexperienced cook could whip up in minutes, making it accessible to everyone. All you needed was a can of tuna, a pantry staple that was affordable and long-lasting, some mayo to add creaminess and flavor, and of course, bread to hold it all together. The combination was simple yet perfect, and maybe a few simple extras. You could add a touch of celery for crunch, a bit of relish for sweetness, or even some hard-boiled eggs for extra protein. It was also incredibly versatile. The basic tuna sandwich could be transformed in countless ways to suit any taste or occasion. You could dress it up with lettuce for a bit of freshness and crunch, tomato for juiciness, onion for a bit of bite, and pickles for that tangy kick, or anything else your heart desired. Grilled tuna sandwich, anyone? The possibilities were endless, limited only by your imagination. This humble sandwich had become a symbol of American life, easy, adaptable, and always satisfying. It was a meal that could be enjoyed by everyone, from children to adults, from busy professionals to families gathered around the dinner table. The tuna sandwich was more than just a meal, it was a part of the American story, a testament to the power of simplicity and the joy of good food. The rise of the tuna sandwich wasn't just about good taste and convenience, though. It was a revolution in the way people thought about quick and nutritious meals. Tuna, once considered a luxury item, became an everyday staple in American households. The humble tuna sandwich became a symbol of the modern, busy lifestyle, offering a quick, easy, and healthy option for families on the go. Companies like Bumble and Chicken of the Sea saw its potential and set out to make it a household name. They recognized that canned tuna could be more than just a pantry item. It could be a culinary star. By focusing on quality and convenience, they aimed to transform the way people viewed canned fish. Their marketing campaigns were everywhere, on TV and magazines, on billboards, you name it. These companies invested heavily in advertising, creating memorable and catchy slogans that stuck in people's minds. They used vibrant imagery and clever taglines to make canned tuna not just a food item but a lifestyle choice. These companies wanted everyone to know that canned tuna was the key to easy, delicious meals. They highlighted its versatility, showing how it could be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to casseroles to the classic tuna sandwich. The message was clear. With canned tuna, you could whip up a tasty meal in no time. And you know what? It worked. The marketing efforts paid off, and soon, tuna sandwiches were a common sight at lunch tables across the country. Families embraced the convenience and taste, making it a go-to option for busy weekdays and casual gatherings alike. Their catchy jingles and appealing images cemented the tuna sandwich's place in American culture. Who could forget the iconic tunes that played during commercial breaks, or the mouth-watering recipes featured in popular magazines? These elements created a sense of nostalgia and familiarity, making canned tuna a beloved part of the American culinary landscape. They also introduced new products like tuna in oil, which added another layer of flavor to the mix. This innovation showed that canned tuna could be more than just a basic ingredient, it could be gourmet. The introduction of different varieties and flavors kept consumers interested and coming back for more. More options meant more tuna sandwiches, and that was a beautiful thing. With so many choices, families could experiment with new recipes and find their favorite ways to enjoy tuna. Whether it was a classic tuna salad sandwich or a creative new twist, the possibilities were endless, and that truly made the tuna sandwich a timeless favorite. The great thing about the tuna sandwich is that it's a blank canvas for culinary creativity. Over the years, people have come up with countless variations, each one more delicious than the last. Want to add a little heat? Mix in some diced jalapenos or a dash of hot sauce. Craving a Mediterranean vibe? Try adding chopped olives, feta cheese, and a sprinkle of oregano. Some folks like to get fancy with different types of bread, like croissants or ciabatta rolls. Others prefer to keep it classic with simple white bread. The possibilities are endless. Speaking of variations, let's not forget about the tuna melt. This cheesy masterpiece takes the classic tuna sandwich to a whole new level of indulgence. Imagine this: warm toasted bread, gooey melted cheese, and a generous helping of creamy tuna salad. It's the ultimate comfort food, perfect for a cold day or a satisfying lunch. The tuna melt is proof that even the simplest sandwiches can be transformed into something truly special. It's a testament to the enduring appeal of tuna and cheese, two ingredients that were simply meant to be together. From its humble beginnings in the early 20th century to its status as a culinary icon, the tuna fish sandwich has certainly made its mark on the world. It's a testament to the power of simple ingredients, culinary ingenuity, and a little bit of marketing magic. So the next time you're craving a quick, easy, and satisfying meal, remember the tuna fish sandwich. It's more than just a sandwich. It's a delicious slice of history. And hey, don't be afraid to get creative and make it your own. That's what makes cooking fun. Keep on cooking, everybody.